Today we have a 2003 Chevy Avalanche. We're going to do two things here today. We're going to remove the car stereo, and we're going to show you how to order buttons and replace the buttons that are badly worn on the face of the radio. First, we're going to start with setting the parking brake, putting the key in the ignition, and shifting to a lower gear. Now this is going to allow us to free up this panel around the car stereo, AC controls and pockets and so on. All are held in place by clips. So we're going to start at the top right corner here and slightly pull back with finger pressure. And we're going to work our way across the top. And this will release the panel across the top. We're going to come back across the bottom here. We're going to be very careful with this bottom corner and the gear shift when it comes to that. Work our way over here and release this side. Now we're going to take the steering column and put it in the all the way down position, and this is going to allow us to pull this panel up the top forward so that it passes over, and bring this up over, and we're going to set this right towards the back. We did put the emergency flashers on while taking that panel off, so we're going to watch that as well. Now we have 3 bolts that secure the stereo to the dash. They are 7mm, and we're going to remove these 3 bolts, 2 on the left side. We have a full library of removal guides on our website. See our website. We also have other do-it-yourself repairs that can help with whatever year and model vehicle you have. Follow it through to your make and model. These screws can sometimes be quite long, so it's going to take a second or two to get these out. There are 3 of them, like I said, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. And we're going to show you how to remove the stereo from the dash today on one video, and then there will probably be a second to follow for the how to take care of the buttons and so on that are badly worn. Now we've got all 3 of these screws loose, 2 removed, all 3 now, I'll say removed. And now we're going to pull the car stereo from the dash. It will pull forward, and there should be room on the back here. I just felt something disconnect as I came out. There was a connector here for steering wheel controls that pulled out when I removed the stereo out of the dash, so we'll have to take care of that. We have the antenna. This is this black coaxial cable. This is a pinch fit, so we're just going to pull that from the back. And then we have the main connector over here on the back. And in order to get to this main connector, there is a trigger at the top, and we're going to squeeze these pieces right here together. It lifts the locks, and you're able to wiggle the connector loose. There you go. And the other connector, which was pulled out when removing the stereo, has the triggers on it as well. This is how you remove the stereo from a 2003 Chevy Avalanche. See our website for the button replacement. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.